In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google form. By the end, you'll know exactly which sharing option to use and how to get your form in front of the right people, whether that's a small group or a wide audience. Once your questions and settings are ready, look to the upper right corner of your Google Form editor. You'll see a purple button labeled Publish. This button is your gateway to making the form accessible to others. Go ahead and click it. A panel will open with the different ways you can share. You'll be presented with three options: copy link, email, and embed. Each one serves a slightly different need. The link option is the quickest way to share with anyone, perfect for posting in a chat, on social media, or inside a document. The email option is ideal if you want the form to go directly to people's inboxes from within Google Forms. And the embed option is what you'll use if you want the form to appear right on a web page, so respondents don't have to leave your site to fill it out. If you're using the link method, simply choose Copy Link. That places your form's unique URL on your clipboard. From there, you can paste it wherever your audience will see it, like a message to your team, a class portal, or a project page. This is often the fastest and most flexible choice, especially if you don't need a formal email invite. If you prefer to send the form by email, select the email option in the same sharing panel and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be guided to enter recipients and include a short message so they know what the form is about. This keeps everything centralized and ensures the invitation lands right in their inbox. For embedding, choose the Embed option and follow the instructions shown. This will provide the code you need so the form can live inside a web page. It's especially helpful if you manage a site or a portal and want a seamless experience for visitors who can complete the form without navigating elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Click the purple Publish button in the upper right. Pick the sharing method that fits your situation: copy link, email, or embed, and then either click Copy Link or follow the guided instructions for email or embed. Choose the path that best matches where your audience already is, and you'll start collecting responses in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.